And good morning, Facebook. Another bright and sunny day here in the SimplyDiag.net Community Hub in sunny Cheshire. Well, it's bright. It's not raining, so we'll take that. We'll take that as a win for today. And we woke up. Yeah. So what have we got going on today? We've got Robert's coming down for his ride-along day today. I'm in just cleaning the hub up, getting everything ready for when he turns up. Going to have an awesome day of one-to-one training. One of the membership benefits of belonging, subscribing to SimplyDiag.net, the community for investing professionals. Yeah, so we're quite busy over the next month. I think we've got about 8 ride-alongs scheduled this month from our members. So yeah, once you've paid your subscription, that's it. It's all included. The live Zoom running every day, that'll be on in about an hour and a half's time. We've got 3 live camera feeds from the hub every single day I'm here. And then ride-alongs for our members. They can come down, have a bit of one-to-one training, bring a problem car, come and sit and just have a brew. Come and sit in the red chair and have a brew. Morning, Ross. How are you, mate? You'll be coming for yours soon, won't you? Yeah, ride-along days. I absolutely love them. It's the reason I do this. It's absolutely fantastic to be inspiring people and you know, just helping people realise what's out there in the way of training, equipment, and positivity. Can't beat a bit of positivity on a hump day, can you, eh? It's absolutely awesome. Big shout out to my mate Paul today. His 50th birthday today. So Racco, if you're watching, happy birthday, mate. If it's also your birthday, if you've got the same birthday as Paul, happy birthday. If it was your birthday yesterday and I missed it, happy birthday. And if it's your birthday tomorrow, happy birthday. Yeah, I really love the ride-along days. It's fantastic just to watch people's eyes light up when they come down here. It's really cool. It's really rewarding. So whatever you're doing today, be the best you can be. Thanks for watching. You're awesome. Morning, Adam. How are you, mate?